Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a geometry question and we are needed to find the height of the triangle. They tell us ABC is a triangle that has an area of 216 centimeters square. We need to find the height. I'm going to name my triangle as triangle A, B, C, and it is a right-angled triangle. We need to find the height. The area of a triangle is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Area of a triangle is equal to a half multiplied by base multiplied by height, but they have given to us area is equal to 216 centimeters square, and also they have given to us the base of 24 centimeter. So the base is equal to 24 centimeter. They need the height, which we don't know. So I'm going to substitute the value that they have given to us to the formula. A equal to 216. This is equal to a half multiplied by the base, which is equal to 24, multiplied by the height, which they don't give us. I'll put as height. We can simplify here by 1 by 2, it is 12. 216, this is equal to 12 multiplied by 8. We got 12. 8. I'll divide by 12. I'll divide by 12. By 12, 1. By 12, 1. We got 8 is equal to, by 12 is 1. By 12, we got 18. So 8 is equal to 18. This is centimeter. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on triangles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.